Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Munya. I'm a chartered certified accountant. I'm a business coach. I'm also an entrepreneur myself. Today I would like to talk about the mindset of saving. In my years as an accounting professional, as well as an entrepreneur, one thing I've learned is that a lot of things that make people do not achieve their goals of life is when they have a wrong mentality about saving. When someone understands the mindset of saving and be in that mental space of what can I do to save, I've seen that is a game changer. A lot of people have a lot of financial goals that they've put aside. Every year, in and out, there is a whole list of financial goals. Some of the financial goals, like I want to buy a house, I want to buy a new car, I want to start studying, I want to travel, I want to start my business, I want to do A, B, and C. I want to do things for my relatives or even for my children. There's so many financial goals, but where the whole thing ends is where the action is. There is no action. But I want to teach you today about how you can take that mindset of saving to be a lifestyle. This is what we're going to talk about, because as long as you continue setting down goals and not having the mindset of saving, it's going to be nothing and nothing will be accomplished. I have said that in many years I've been a professional in the finance side of things. I've realized that a lot of people who change their mindset to that of a saving mentality and understand the how and do it, they have done so well and they have managed to achieve their goals. This mindset shift involves the way of thinking about saving. There is so much thinking that is so wrong about saving, which is like, I cannot do it. Saving is for other people who have a lot of money. That as long as you dwell in that mindset of saying saving is for other people, saving is for people with a lot of money, there is no way you are going to shift your mindset. You need to sit down and say, saving is for everyone. I'm going to start where I am and grow from there and make it your lifestyle. Saving is not about the leftover money. It's about your commitment towards it. That little money that you are left with, if you start saving it, it compounds. Imagine, let me give you an example. If someone has to put 100 rand every month aside, by the end of year, that person has 1,200 rands. If you say, I don't have money, I'm not going to save, and save nothing, at the end of the year, you have zero. Can you tell me the difference? The one who have 1,200 rand and the one with zero, are they the same? Definitely no. The one who has taken the step with the little has gone somewhere and has done something. So that is the mindset shift that is required. You just need to start where you are and grow from there. And you just need to focus on saying, I need to save and do better as I go and make it part of my lifestyle. You are not saving leftover because there is no leftover, but you are saving as a priority of your budget. Whenever you are sitting down to do your budget, that money you want to save should be the first one to come out of your bank account to say, this is my saving, and the rest should fit in other things. This is the mentality of a saver. This is the mindset shift that we are looking for. You are not saving leftover. You are saving as a priority what you need for your goals. There are so many goals that you can save for. There are some which are very small goals, which you can ace them very easy once you start having that discipline. They are also medium term, they are also long term. But the more you are doing it, the more it becomes your lifestyle. You see that it becomes easier and easier. The first 3 months you can do 100. But the fourth month you feel like, no, you know what, I can do 500. The following 3 months, you can feel now I can do 1,000. It's all about learning and becoming better and better with it. It's not to say I will wait for 1,000 or 1,000,000 or whatever figure you think to save. You cannot wait for that figure. You start with what you have and you focus and prioritize it. There's so many things that we do that we can save money from. There is so many luxuries that we indulge in every time, but we don't realize that that little, if we save it and if we are going to focus on prioritizing saving instead of focusing on these luxuries, we are going to do better, much better. And also, as people, we are used to always reacting to situations. We want to react to crises. We want to react to emergencies. When an emergency happens, that's when you start looking for money from other people. We don't want to plan for things. This is the reason why you should shift your mindset to that of a saving mindset, where you say, I'm not going to react when a crisis hits. I'm going to be prepared for any emergency by saving that little, and it compounds more and more. If there's no emergency, that money is there. That money will be growing. That money will be becoming more and more, and it's compounding. So this video is for you to understand that as long as you continue writing down financial goals and there's no action, there's no mindset shift about saving, there's nowhere you're going. You need to make up your mind and decide that I want to save. I want to make my life better. I want to be able to react to situations better than always be in that panic mood when things happen, when unexpected things happen. So go ahead, sit down, think about it and say, I want a mindset shift, and say, today I'm starting, and today I'm starting where I am. Happy serving.